Today, I'll be showing you how to make a brick oven pizza. First, we lay flour on our board, put it around. Second, we get our dough ball. We take our dough ball, we put it in our flour, both sides, just to make it help cook. Put our fingers in it to let the air go in and out. We're just going to easily stretch the dough. The dough is going to be easily stretched out, and we only use our fingers to make this. It's very simple to do this, the dough process. And to make sure, this is a 10-ounce dough ball, and this should get about this big. Now we get our pan, take our dough, put it on here, and we just mix it, make it more like a circle. Just mix it out, and now this is where we add the sauce and the cheese. The reason why we don't add the sauce and the cheese while putting on the regular board is because you cannot transfer this piece of dough to the oven. So that's why you put the sauce and cheese on here. So now we have our sauce. This is our sauce, fresh from these cans here. So we'll be using this sauce. It's called Alta Cucina. You don't want to go all the way to the edge of the pizza because you're going to want a crust. You don't want a sauce crust. But if you're doing a stuffed crust pizza, all you would do is basically put your thing, whatever you're putting inside your crust, around the edges, and then you just fold it over. That's enough sauce in here. And then our cheese we'll be using is a mixture of 2 cheeses, and these cheeses on top. You don't want to put too much cheese because you will ruin the pizza. Now, I don't think too much cheese is better. Too much cheese is not better because it ruins the taste. Because you won't taste the sauce as much. So, only a couple pieces of cheese. Not too much. Now we take our dough, pizza, and we put it in the oven. As you guys can see, this is our pizza. We put it on a simple tray, and we cut it. Now we got 2 pizza cutters to do this process. We have a regular wheeled pizza cutter, and we have a straight pizza cutter. We will be using the wheeled pizza cutter for today. This is where we take our pizza cutter, and we simply do one straight line across the pizza, we turn the pan, and another line, beautiful, another line, and then one more coming right here. All we do now is take some of our fresh basil, right here, we just put it on the pizza. And then grab a dish, paper pizza dish, take our slice, put it on our pizza. Now as you guys can see, there's not a lot of cheese because you don't want too much cheese. You want sections of cheese. So now eat it. Delicious.